Karon day off, targitar paabot sa oras, hantod nga mo gabi eh. So wala man tayo buhat, padung sa gawas para mag-jogging.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change.
Hindi na mawala na to ang atong selfie. Malamin ta sa atong naong tanawang baog gimuta. What is up, Flood here? You're Boholan. So natakaroon din sa gawas. Init kayo. Medyo singot na kayo.
Naanasad taani sa gawas para mag-jogging. Magpasingot para himsog ang panglawas balik alindog.
So ning palit day ko og baho yung cellphone, Pixel 4. So naatakaron diri para i-testing na to ang atong sound, video, low light. And what is up, Flood here? You're Boholan. So naatakaron diri sa gawas. Init kayo. Medyo singot na kayo. So nagtesting ko ani og sequence. Ang video ko unang frame, ako ra sa ning i-edit abot sa balay. So nilakaw ko, balik na po ko nya padung balik para sa camera para pasyon. Isa pa kani, butang na pa og cellphone una. Nabay ko. Command cut, putol nya balik sa pagtubangan. Balik na pod para sumpay sa clip. Wala mo tayo kauban. Kung single lang tanig lakaw-lakaw. Hallelujah. Klaro ba? Ngit-ngit. Testing sa kaninga audio. Ug nata diri sa Old Souk, Dubai. Kung makita nimo diri ang bulge of Dubai. Layo siya kaayo pero testing na to sa ato ang zoom Pixel 4, so makita ba natin?
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
So sa next day off na ko, ang testing ko og sakay ko diri sa may mga ferry boat. 1 dirham ra ang bayad. Paingon dito sa may Old Dubai. Naa sa mga museum, one of the mga tourist spot destination.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise the sun. Step two, do some good, some food, meal. Step three, grow hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yeah. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Life is easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken. I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate in cadence. So flow, you grow, you show yourself the foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. If I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, time's loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the rain inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot,